Imagine there are two restaurants next to each other. One is fairly empty and the other is crowded, and there is even a small queue in order to get in. Which of the two would you choose? I guess you will choose the crowded restaurant. And this is an example of social proof, of social pressure. We believe that we are behaving correctly where we do the same as other people. My name is Giuseppe Conti, I'm a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. Why do we respect social proof? Because it has proven to be an effective survival strategy. Imagine several thousand years ago, you went hunting with a group of other hunters. At a certain point in time, they all start running away. Guess what? Probably you will also start running away. And by the way, the ones that act differently, the ones that try not to follow the others, probably didn't survive. So we are the descendant of the one that follow what other people did. Now, recognizing that social pressure is a powerful influence strategy, how can we use it? Imagine that you are the owner of a bar and you want to start increasing the number of tips that customers leave, then you may want to start putting some big bills into the tipping jar. Travel websites use this all the time because they tell you how many people are looking at your flight at that moment. Amazon relies on positive reviews in order to sell books. And overall, all social media is based on likes and comments by other people. By the way, if you liked this video, how about doing right now a like and a comment on this video? And for more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.